Hi there! So here's a smartwatch from Zebronics, the Zeb FIT920. It's currently selling on Amazon for $2,299. That means it won't burn a hole in your pocket, which many are looking for. It has a touch color display, activity tracking, heart rate sensor, sleep monitoring and a lot more. So let's unbox it. We'll have a look at the build, the fit, the display and the fitness features so you can decide if you should buy this or not. There are also 2 units to give away. So watch the video till the end to know how you can win these. But before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Singh. Let's get started. So here is the retail packaging. Right on the top you can see the picture of the watch. It says customizable watch face, full touch color display, heart rate monitoring. Some of the features are mentioned here. At the back of the box is the MRP and some of the details. Alright, let's open the box. So right on the top is the user manual, which is in English. Then you have a charger. We'll check it out in just a moment. And here is the watch itself. Looks pretty good. And there is an extra strap provided. Wow, this is after a long time, or maybe for the first time I'm seeing an extra strap inside the box, which is amazing. It's a red color strap. Let's open it and see. Oh wow, that's a gorgeous red color, isn't it? All right, let's check out the watch. And there we go. Let's peel off the cover. Okay, and here is the watch itself, and the first thing you can see is it's got a square design and metal on the side, which actually makes it look really solid and premium. It's got a nice matte gray finish to it, which is good. There's a button on the side which is basically to wake the display or to put it back to sleep. So on the back here you can see it has the heart rate sensor and the charging terminals, Zebronics branding here. Let's check out the charger. So the charger provided in the box is a clip mechanism with a USB-A port which goes into your charging brick, and all you need to do is just align this charger terminals to these. There you go. So it's not magnetic unlike we've seen in many other smartwatches, but the good thing about this charger is that even when you're driving or if you're traveling, this will stay in place. So perks of having a clipped charger. Great. All right, coming to the strap, they are actually quite good, made of soft silicone. They are replaceable actually because obviously they have provided straps, so I'm sure you can replace them. There's a mechanism here, but usually we have a clip here that we usually pull and this thing comes off, but they haven't provided anything such here, so the quality of the strap is really good. Let's try to change them. And finally we are done. Yes, this did take me a minute or two, but I'm sure once you get used to it, it won't be a big deal. So it looks really nice, red, nice, funky. It's a buckle design. The quality of the strap is phenomenal. Surprisingly really good. It's soft silicone rubber. Let's wear it and see. Wow. So there you go, buckle design. It's got a lovely matte finish here. Fit is really good. Wow, the wake to display was really responsive, which is really good. The display looks nice. This is a 1.37 inch TFT display and looks really nice. Quite sharp. You can see the time, you can see the detail, and there are a couple of watch faces also available. Wow, the touch is also extremely responsive, which is good. Amazing. Wow. This doesn't have always on display, which I can understand why, because this is a TFT display, and if we have always on display mode on this, it will drain the battery probably in a couple of hours. So I'm pretty okay with that. Let's just check out the heart rate. And there you go, 76. And here are the steps. Let's have a look at the interface. Obviously here's the watch face. This is where you will get the weather once you are paired with your app. But right now we aren't. Right in the top there's torch, which is basically just a white screen. When you wake up at night and you need some light, this is the vibration, you want it or not. Weather, This is the brightness. You can increase, decrease the brightness. Always remember, the higher the brightness, the lesser the battery life. So we'll just keep it a little low. And here is the settings for watch face, power off, restart, reset, about. And finally is the lock, screen lock. Press the watch button to unlock. Okay, what else? Okay, so we have steps here. Going back, we have messages, which will be notifications when they come in here. Sleep monitoring. Then you have heart rate. Then you have training. Let's see what we have. We have walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football. Wow, that's actually quite a lot. Weather, music. Music is basically, once the watch is connected to your phone, it will control the music that is playing from your phone. So forward, next, volume, all these things can be controlled from here. Brightness, the lesser the better actually. Camera will work with the app if you want to take pictures. S-watch is stopwatch. Flashlight, similar. More. Watch faces, okay. So here's an analog watch face for analog watch face lovers. And there's a picture of a balloon and the time. By the way, there are a lot of options for watch faces available in the app, which I'll show you in just a moment. Right now I'm pretty good to go with this. It actually looks like an Apple Watch. Don't you think so? Nice, really well designed, really comfortable, really light, really responsive. That's one of the things I've already liked about it. It's really responsive, it's bright, it's clear, it's sharp, it's good. And the rest of the options. So basically a very smooth interface. You can see it's completely lag free, smooth, easy to use, not a problem at all. Great. So let's connect it to the app. So we are going to download the Zeb Fit920 series app. Install, open, put in your profile details. I'm just going with what there is. Allow, add bracelet. There it is. Wow, pairing was like less than a minute, which is amazing. So I'll show you the steps here. Sleep, heart rate, outdoor running. If you come here, it's going to tell you the battery percentage, watch faces. I know many of you want to see more watch faces, so you can see that 3 come pre-installed. Go to more watch face. And there you go. Oh wow, you even have the Pokemon watch face. Wow, there's so many. Oh wow. And there are more. And there are more. So if you like to change watch faces, you change one today, you get to change the same one probably after a couple of months. Wow. That's okay. I can keep going, but there are way too many. I think you change one today, you'll get the next one by next year. Okay, let's just go with something like this. Download, and there you can see the watch face is downloading, and there you go. The watch face you selected is here. There you go. Then you can choose from notifications. You can choose from which app you want notifications and from which app you don't, even for phone calls. Whether you want phone calls, messages, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, the list is long enough. Then you can set alarms. It will vibrate on the watch. It will wake you up. Shutter is basically to allow you to take pictures, which you can take from here. Now the camera is on. There we go. Funny sound, but works, man. What else do you want? So then you have shutter, you have other. In others, you have time formats. Oh, this is something I'm sure many want to know. You want to change the time format to 12 hours or 24 hours, you can change it from here. It's great. So Zebronics claims that the watch is water resistant. So rain, sweat and water splashes are fine. But it's not advisable to wear for a swim or in the sea. It has a 170 mAh battery which will take about 2 hours to fully charge when the battery is fully depleted. It should last 5 days with average use where you're using notifications and tracking turned on. So overall I can say that the watch is really comfortable, looks pretty good, looks actually very premium. More than anything else, it looks really premium. The strap quality, the build quality looks really, really nice. You can actually even pick up third-party straps online if you like to pick up for other colors. Amazing. The Zeb Fit920 is a pretty good smartwatch for the price. It has everything you need. Touch color display, activity tracking, sleep tracking, heart rate, notifications, and even an extra strap. Above all, it's like you're wearing an Apple Watch. So for $2,999, it's definitely worth it. I'll leave the link below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Alright, coming to the giveaway. So we have 2 units. To participate, you have to go to my Twitter page and follow it. Link will be in the description. Then you have to go to the Zeb Fit920 post. You have to like it and retweet it. That's it. Simple. 2 winners who have completed all the requirements will be announced on 20th of November. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. So go right now. My Twitter handle and the post link will be in the description. I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feel free to mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.